What's up, everybody? With the Plant Guys, I'm Ryder.
And I'm Ty.
Today, this is the first video of the 2025 greenhouse season.
We're back.
We are making a royal red hanging basket. We already wet the dirt just to make it easier to plant. And we're gonna throw some fertilizer in.
As always.
Important step. So we're gonna start off with some, what's this called? Lamium in each corner.
We got 4.
And we got our dibbler. We use this, it just punches all the holes easily.
Boom.
Is this even the right thing, Mom?
It's not the right thing, but it shows you guys what the dibbler does anyway.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with 4 lamiums in the corners.
In each corner.
Well, now we got holes in the wrong spot.
We got extra holes.
Don't say that on video again.
All right.
All
Nice
right.
and easy.
Now we're gonna throw some cows in, 1 on each side. These are double lemons.
Double lemons. They do not grow lemons, by the way, just so you know.
And we got 2 sunrise dark red geraniums. Very contrasted name.
As you can see, everything's nice and grown out right now.
These are just gonna go in the middle along with the Bubble Pet.
Bubbles Petunia.
Oh,
Pet as in petunia.
Bubbles Petunia. This adds a pop of white to our mix.
Yes, as you can see.
Lighten up the mood a little bit.
Yep.
And that's it.
That is the royal red hanging basket. There you go. We will make
First
sure to
hanging
update you guys when it's all grown out and stuff. There's the hanger.
I'm just gonna pop this on.
Nice and easy. And here is our tag here. We're gonna put this on if I can remember how to do it.
Yep.
Oh. There we go. That's it. That's all.
All right. The first of many videos of the 2025
Make sure
season.
to come back because we got something special for next video. And I don't think you guys are expecting it, so make sure to come back. But this is just a nice quick and easy video to get back into the season.
And we're the Plant Guys.
Have a good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is for you right now. See you in the next one. All right, so here are some pictures of the royal red hanging basket from last year.
And here's a picture of me with one of the royal red hanging baskets from last season around June.
We just wanted to say thank you to our customer who sent this picture of the lovely basket.
At the end of August.
So you can see how big this really grows. Woo!
I'm Ryder.
And I'm Ty, and today, light work.
Today is the first video.
We're making a royal red. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
You ready?
All right, ready? All right, so here is some pictures from last year of the royal red basket.
And there is, what did I say?
Run it back. Run that back.